If someone is being disrespected to you, that person should not have the access to your life anymore. End of the story. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that setting boundaries is very important. So let's get into the video. First, you have to answer me. When someone is disrespecting you continuously, with their behavior, with their words, with their actions, and everything, why you are choosing to be kind to that person? Like, for what reason you are doing that? For what? Oh, seriously, ask yourself this question. Ask yourself, if you disrespect one person, that person will completely you will become disappear to them, literally disappear. Then why you are giving chances and chances again, and opening all your doors for them, and always being kind for them, always trying to be available for those people who are never available for you, people who do not respect you? Those people should not be exist in your life. How simply people say no to you for their happiness, for their priorities, and you, can you say no to them at least once? Can you do that for your happiness? Being kind, being generous, all of these things are really beautiful, literally really beautiful, and every person should have all those qualities. Every person should be kind and generous and soft hearted. That is absolutely okay. That is absolutely okay. But to those people who disrespect you, you can be kind to a kind person, but you cannot be kind to a humiliating person, a person who is continuously trying to put you down and saying all the bad things about you, and making fun of you. How can you be kind to that person? Like, for what reason? You should give people what they deserve. This is our problem. We give what we have, not what people deserve. And we should never do that. We should not give people what we have. We should give what they deserve. You cannot be a kind person to a person who is only trying to put you down, draining you, saying all the bad things about you. No, you can't do that. That person should not have the access of your life. That person should not be exist in your life, and that's it. If someone is being disrespected to you, that is it. Like, literally, that person is not my person. This person don't want anything good for me. Why you are surrounding yourself with people who don't want your good? Like, for what? For what? If you surround yourself with the people who don't want your good, you will never able to do something. You will be never able to do something. You will become like them, and they will drain you so much. You won't be able to do anything. So you really have to surround yourself with pure people, with good people, with kind people. If someone is disrespected you, that person is not for you. Really. The surroundings matter the most. That is absolutely correct. The surrounding matter the most. But who choose our surroundings? Who choose that? Who choose that I want these people around me? Who does that? We does that. We does that. If our surrounding matter, then it is up to us that who we want to around us. That is up to us. If you want to surround yourself with negative people who always try to put you down, people who say all the bad things about you, people who made you count your flaws, you won't be able to do anything. So you should really Surround yourself with people who really want your good, people who acknowledge you, people who praise you, people who say good things about you. You can't disrespect me. No, you can't do that. Not even as a joke. If you did that to me, we are done. Literally, we are done. Behind my back, front of me, as a joke. And if you think that you are saying bad thing about me, but it is somewhere good for me, no. What you said, you mean that. And that is it. You said what you said, and now we are done. That is it. This is how you set your boundaries, and your standards should be really high, that people should be scared to disrespect you. That is it. You know that they are lying to you. You know they are disrespecting you even behind your back. You know that. And still you are, keeping those people around you for what? For what? To demotivate you? To make yourself feel like I'm not worthy enough? For what? Because these people are going to say anyway bad stuff about you. So for what reason you want to be around with those people? Like for what? For the negative energy? For the bad stuff? For the bad environment? No. You deserve so much better. You deserve good environment. You deserve positivity. You deserve good people around you because you are a good person. So you should never allow someone to be around you who disrespect you. Because if someone wants to say bad about you, they are going to say anyway, no matter what you do for them. So why you want to waste your energy for a person who don't even acknowledge that? You should at least invest in a person who praise you, who acknowledge your investment, at least. But why with the people who be like, okay, whatever she did, that doesn't matter to us. Okay, she is becoming a doormat to us. No matter what she does, let her do whatever she wants to do. We don't care about her. Why don't you have self-respect? Don't you? So yeah, if you want to be happy, you have to surround yourself with positive people. You cannot live happily ever after with negative people around you. You can't do that. If you want a happy life, you have to surround yourself with healthy, positive and good people, and who acknowledge your efforts, not with people who don't give even a damn about you. We can't do that. It might be a little difficult, but you should do that for yourself because you deserve that. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.